According to court documents, Apple's internal tests found that the iPhone 6 was 3.3 times more likely to double than the iPhone 5s, while the larger iPhone 6 Plus was 7.2 times more likely to double. As a brief summary, in the intoxicating days of 2014, the world that used iPhone was involved in a great controversy known as bendgate, claiming that recently launched iPhone 6 and 6 Plus phones were doubled in people's pockets due to Apple's poor design. While Apple at the time said that bent iPhones were extremely rare, even going as far as inviting multiple media outlets to their campus to see how rigorously they tested their products, problems with bent iPhones continued to emerge. Things intensified later when the iPhone 6 units began to exhibit tactile disease, where the touch screen would fail due to a defect in specific touch controller chips on the motherboard, which some theorized due to the physical damage of the bending iPhones. Apple claimed that the problem was a symptom of the phones that fell several times on a hard surface and then generated more stress on the device,